we're playing with trains, right? Where are we? Where are we playing with trains right now? So we were going, you know, of course, you know Thomas the train? Alright, so Thomas the train is gonna go up this hill. What happened? And down. Ooh, did you see how fast it goes down?
Whoa.
Whoa, exactly. Look, I'm just gonna put Thomas right now. So you see, if Thomas is on this hill, it goes whoop, all by itself, right? All by itself. Like, do you think Thomas needs any help going down this hill? No. So basically, if Thomas is going down this hill, it doesn't need any outside source of energy.
No.
No. It can go. You're sure?
Yes.
So basically, Thomas and the hill go down easy.
Gravity.
Okay, well that makes sense. So, okay, so are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, so Thomas, the hill. Go. Why isn't it Thomas going down the hill?
It needs to go to the top.
Wait, no, but what? You said that it didn't need any outside energy. Like, we didn't need any help for it to go down the hill.
It needs to go to the top of the hill first, and then down.
Oh. So, but it needs help to go to the top of this hill? So you tell me, when do you think Thomas has had enough help, okay? All right, so, but wait, my goodness, there's no patience. All right, so, Thomas, here you go. Do you think that's enough?
No.
No?
No.
But I'm tired.
Let it go.
Oh. But that didn't work. That didn't work. Thomas did not have enough help. Okay, ready? Okay, more?
Yes.
More?
Yes. 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 Yes.
All of that?
Keep going.
Right now? Right now? Is it
No,
there?
no.
Not yet. Okay, right here? Right here. Would this
No.
help? No. Oh, you're right. Right, so like
I
over
always
here,
am.
it doesn't quite like get down the hill, but it does need a certain amount of help. And then at this point, does it need any more of my help, of my energy that I'm giving it with my hand?
No.
No, it goes down all by itself.
Wow.
I know.